Here are the top 5 most beautiful wild birds in the world. Number 5. Keel-Billed Toucan. With its rainbow-colored beak, this bird is a flying piece of art. Found in Central and South America, it's nature's paintbrush in motion. Number 4. Lilac-Breasted Roller, a mix of blues, purples, and pinks. This African beauty looks like a sunset on wings. Number 3. Mandarin Duck, often called the most beautiful duck in the world. Its vibrant orange, blue, and gold patterns make it a living masterpiece. Number 2. Resplendent Quetzal, a symbol of freedom in Central America. This emerald green bird with a flowing tail is truly magical. Number 1. Wilson's Bird of Paradise. This Indonesian bird looks straight out of a fantasy world. With electric blue, fiery red, and striking black feathers, it's a visual feast. Which bird is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content.